How to archive items in Amazon Prime Video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the procedure to archive items, hide them from your main list of purchase video in Amazon Prime Video. Now for that, you must use the Amazon website on the desktop or on the mobile app. Open up your browser, type in Amazon Prime Video and click on the first link that comes. Sign into your account, and after you've signed in, what you want to do is you just want to navigate to your order section. So actually you have to go to amazon.com, not Amazon Prime. As you click on amazon.com, here comes your order section at the bottom of the page. You click on the profile initials and there you have order section. Now in the order section, you just want to go to your order section, locate the filter drop down menu, which often defaults to a list or time frame like 3 months, and change the filter to digital order. Find the specific Prime Video purchase you want to archive in the list, and below the order details you should see an archive order link or the button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the action, so click on archive order to hide them, and that is how you will be able to archive items in Amazon Prime Video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.